Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying Steam must be running to play this game error that keeps popping up when you're trying to launch your favorite games. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, let's restart Steam properly. Look down at the bottom right corner of your screen where your system tray is located. You'll see a small arrow icon there, so go ahead and click on Show Hidden Icons. This will reveal all the applications running in the background, including Steam. Now right-click on the Steam icon and from the menu that appears, select Exit Steam. This completely closes the Steam client rather than just minimizing it, which is important for troubleshooting this issue. Next, reopen Steam again by double-clicking its icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. You'll need to log in with your credentials if prompted. After logging in, give it a few seconds to fully load and initialize all its services. This fresh restart often clears up temporary glitches that might be causing the error. Now, try to launch your game and see if the issue is resolved. Many times, a simple restart of Steam is all it takes to fix this problem. The error usually occurs when Steam's background processes aren't communicating properly with your game, and restarting refreshes those connections. If the error still persists and your game won't launch, don't worry, we have another solution. Close Steam completely again using the same method as before. This time we're going to run Steam with administrator privileges, which gives it full access to all system resources it might need. Right-click on the Steam shortcut on your desktop, then select Run as Administrator. This ensures Steam has all the necessary permissions to run your games properly. Once Steam opens with admin rights, navigate to the top menu and click on Library. This is where all your installed games are listed. In the left panel, scroll through your game library and find the game that's giving you trouble. Right-click on that game, and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This opens up a detailed settings window specifically for that game. In the Properties window, look at the left panel and click on Installed Files. This section contains important tools for managing your game's local files and ensuring everything is intact. Now here's the key step that often resolves persistent issues. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan all the game files on your computer and compare them with the correct versions on Steam's servers. If any files are corrupted, missing, or modified, Steam will automatically re-download and replace them. This process might take a few minutes depending on the size of your game, so just be patient while it completes. And there you have it, you've just fixed the Steam must be running error. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.